Yes, family. No, me there though. Yeah, man, me there outside in the night, yeah. I go out with a little night cooking, you know. Yeah, man, so, just cook on whole of vibes and have a drink same way, you know. Yeah, man, so, just sit and relax. Yes, family, so I go out, cook some curry chicken at night, you know. Some debone curry chicken. So we're going to beat that with rice and peas, you know. Yeah, man. That I go on pan water go on. Spear fishing with Oden, you know. Welcome to my kitchen family, you know. Yes, man. Blessed. So I go on. Rice and peas steam down, you know. Yeah, man. Natural. Scotch bonnet pepper turn up in it, eh. Yeah, man. So that I go on pan water go on. You get a night cooking adventure, you know. Yeah, man. King himself, that warrior them just the same time. Yeah, man. So you close the pot now, family, make it go on steam, you know. Yeah. Rasta that, you know. Generally, you know.
Mad night cooking, is it? Definitely.
So I go on, you know. Black pot style, you know, food done cook and share out. Sitting. Night style, you know. On this put piece of fry bar in the same time, you know. Extra, you know. It look good, it look good. Yes, family, so drop your comment down below, you know. Tell me what you think about the chef in the night, yeah. King Lazarus. So I go on, who done cook, share and I eat. Yes, I go on for curry chicken there.
Bad man. So the water run.
Watch your boy sit up and sweat. Watch your boy, man, sit up and sweat. Rust. Not the general robot in the night, you know. Let's go and feed that Rasta.
Nice, man.
Going chicken, no? Let's go and feed AJ. Let's go and feed.
No, pepper.
Chew that. Good now. Pepper.
Let's go and feed Wizzy.
Pepper bad.
Nice though. Yeah, man, natural night vibes, you know. They're up on the corner, you know. This is my end, you know. Spear fishing with Oden ends. Yeah, man.